Failure to appear in court always scares the heck out of people. And your first thought is, oh my God, am I going to go to jail because I missed my court date? In this video, I'll alleviate those fears for you and tell you the 3 things you need to do if you ever miss your court date. Hello folks, I'm Andrew Williams, and this is another edition of the Fedora Lawyer. I'm a board-certified criminal defense attorney with 28 years of practice behind me. On this channel, I share my years of experience with you to give you a better understanding of the law so you're not so afraid of it. So, there are 3 things you need to keep in mind that you absolutely have to do immediately if you happen to miss your court date. Number 1, call the court and ask for the coordinator or the clerk. When you call the court, be sure to speak to someone. Don't just leave a voicemail. Calling the court is important because when you finally see the judge to explain yourself, you can say, hey judge, I called the clerk and I told him I realized I missed my court date, and the first thing I did was I called the court. The judge will appreciate the fact that you took quick action to correct the situation. Number 2, contact your lawyer. That's probably an obvious one. Tell your lawyer you missed your court date and give them the reason why. Your lawyer can then notify the court, hey, my client missed the court date, let's get him back in front of the judge, double quick so we can fix this thing up. Now this is important so your bond doesn't get revoked by the judge. And most lawyers can persuade a judge not to revoke your bond and put you in jail just because you missed one court date. Lawyers work with judges on a daily basis, and your lawyer will know how a particular judge handles his court and what he'll do in a particular situation, like when you miss your court date. So, number 2, call your lawyer. Number 1, call the court. Number 2, call your lawyer. And number 3, contact your bondsman. A lot of people don't think about this. You don't want your bondsman surrendering your bond because they think you skipped town. This is important because the bondsman puts up money with the court to secure your release on bond. If you don't appear in court, the bondsman stands to lose that money. So a bondsman who thinks you're not a good bet to appear in court will not want to stay attached to your case. So you need to reassure the bondsman that you're not skipping out, that you just made a mistake and you missed your court date and you're trying to get it fixed as soon as possible. So make sure this is call number 3. Once you get back in court with your lawyer, apologize to the judge. If this is your first time missing a court date, most judges will give you a stern warning and nothing more. Second time, judge is going to be even more upset and may increase your bond. 3 or more missed court dates and you'll likely end up in jail pending the outcome of your case. So that's how it works when you miss a court date. Don't panic. Call the court, call your attorney, call the bondsman. Those are the 3 things you really need to do. If it's the first time you missed a court date, you're very unlikely to be put in jail. A stern warning from the judge is probably what you'll get. I hope this information was helpful. If it was, hit the like button for me. I plan on making lots more videos on all sorts of legal topics. You might be interested in these 2 videos to get you started. If there is a legal topic you want me to cover, leave a request in the comment section below and I'll try and get to it. You can also visit my website at andrewwilliamslaw.com. For now, this is the Fedora Lawyer signing off.